In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch rename frames. This technique is extremely helpful for maintaining organized and clear design files, especially when you're working with numerous frames that require consistent naming. Batch renaming saves a significant amount of time compared to manual renaming, streamlining your workflow and improving overall file readability. To begin, your first step is to carefully select all the frames you wish to rename. You can achieve this by clicking and dragging your mouse to encompass them on the canvas, or by holding down the Shift key and clicking on each individual frame to add them to your selection. For those who prefer working with the Layers panel, holding Command on a Mac or Control on Windows allows you to select multiple frames from the list. It's essential to ensure every frame you intend to modify is clearly highlighted, as only selected frames will be affected. Once your frames are selected, you'll then right-click anywhere on one of the chosen frames. This action will open a Contextual menu. From this menu, simply navigate down and select the Plugins option. Plugins are valuable extensions that add enhanced functionality to your design environment. And in our case, we'll be using one specifically designed for efficient renaming. Upon selecting Plugins, a list of your installed plugins will appear. You're looking for and will then click on the Rename It plugin. Rename It is a popular and effective tool that allows you to quickly apply naming conventions across multiple selected items. If you don't already have it, you can easily find and install it from the Community Plugins section. Now, with the Rename It plugin window open, you'll see an input field where you can define your new naming convention. This is where you leverage the plugin's power. You can type a common prefix, for example, user flow, and then use special placeholders to customize the new names. For instance, Iwa Chaite will automatically add an incremental number to each frame based on its order. So user flow I would result in user flow 1, user flow 2, and so on. Another useful placeholder is N, which retains the original name, allowing you to prepend or append text, such as revised N. The plugin often provides a live preview, letting you see how your frames will look before committing. Take a moment to experiment with these options to find a clear and logical naming scheme for your project. Once you're satisfied with your new convention, click the Rename or Apply button within the plugin window. And just like that, all your selected frames will be instantly renamed according to the pattern you've set. This method dramatically simplifies maintaining a well-organized and professional design file. Incorporate this batch renaming technique into your routine, and you'll notice a significant improvement in your design workflow efficiency.